Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this awesome Lenovo Legion 5. This is my laptop for work and for gaming, and I absolutely love it. I can have a lot of different programs open, and the computer runs very smoothly all the time. And also when I'm playing games, the computer doesn't crash or doesn't lag, which as a gamer, I really appreciate when you can see all the details in the game and play without any lag. Another thing that I love about the laptop is that it has so many different ports for whatever you need, and I really appreciate and I love that it has most of the ports in the back, like the charging port, the internet port. It has an HDMI, 2 USB, 1 USB-C. So I think that's super convenient. So when I'm working, all the cables are sent to the back of the laptop and they're not everywhere around me on the sides of the laptop, which I love because it looks very neat when I'm working. And I really like that even though this is a bigger laptop, it's very light, which I really appreciate because I travel a lot and it's very easy to put it on the backpack and work on the go. So if you're looking for a very reliable laptop, that is within a good price range, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.